Hello student, I am Asit Tiwari and today I will tell you about the first lesson of the history from the class 6 what, where, how and when. In this lesson we have the third lecture on this same lesson and we will study today the early evidence of the civilizations. Means what were discovered the area in India and around India and how did this will say discoveries were very helpful to know our ancient history. So in the first we will see the area at the south of Kabul river. These hills are the Kirthal hills and the Suleiman hills, where the first time men and women grew wheat and barley around the 8,000 years ago, and these were the kind of cereal crops which were grown by the early men of the country in the Indus Valley civilizations. Second evidence, people started to rear the animal. Means they had also made the animals as a pet animal, and these places around the south of Meghalaya, Garo hills, and these hills were very famous for such a kind of the civilizations, and goat, cattle and sheep and many of the other animals, they made them the pet animals for their purpose, like the domestications, like the milchings and many of the other purpose, such as the producing the fur for the making of cloths that time. But that time the understanding of the early men was not very mature for such a type of the animals. So let we see in the other part in the lesson that what other evidences were also discovered. Then the first place where the rice was grown, it was the Malwa Plateau. South of the Malwa Plateau, it is the Vindhyas hills, and this region was very developed for the rice production, because this region where it lies in the, you will say, south of the you will say tropics, so it is very, you will say, developed for the production of rice crops. And these are the rivers which originate from the Mansarovar glaciers, and these rivers like the Indus, Brahmaputra, they became the, I will say, sources and support or the base for the, will say, civilization of the Indian continent, subcontinent. And this rivers was old, 4700 years old, and Ganga river which was 2500 years old. So these rivers became the, will say, source for the civilizations, and this river where the total Indus culture was developed, and Ganga river which was very developed for the powerful and great empire of India, like the Magad empire and many of the other empire. So these empires were developed and became very powerful at the south of you'll say Ganga river, near the Son river. It was a tributary of Ganga river, and in this also rivers where the people also started for their long journeys, like the physiographic features like the mountains, hills, desert, oceans, valleys. These kind of the physiography became very, you'll say, restrictive for the movement of the people, but still they moved on their long journeys. Even their journeys did not become the impossible, so they also moved on the farthest places for the marketing, trade activities, and later they also started for their religious contact with the furthest people, and later they also maintained their relation with the other king and the kingdom of the Asia, South Asia and many of that part. So in such a way we can say that these powerful empire, not only they developed in India, but also they maintain their strong relation. So student, today we will study only this lecture, and our topic which is very clear, early evidence of the civilizations, and tomorrow we will also study about the other discoveries and many of the other, you will say, importance topic which are very, you will say, compulsory for the exam purpose also. So student, thank you for listening me and watching me, and your support make the teaching more and more impactful for your better study. Thank you student to listen me, to watching me.